Hello students, in this video we'll be quickly looking at the next part in our agenda. So at the beginning we created a list of unique tree types, which is great. Then we used COUNTIF to count each of the tree types, which is also great. And now we're going to do a quick copy and paste of the above content. So we're going to copy and paste all of the trees in their type, setting it up so that we can sort them from largest to smallest. So in order to do that, all we're going to do is really straightforward. We're going to click on the letter A and drag over to the letter B, and that will highlight both columns downwards to infinity. We're going to right click on that and choose copy. And then we're going to go over to the E1 cell, click on it, regular click the first time, and then right click on it to get the menu. And from here, the choice that we want, there's a number of different paste choices, but one of them says 1, 2, 3 on it, and it says values in the tooltip when it pops open. If go ahead and click there. If it doesn't show up like that, the other way that you can do this is over here in the Home tab. You can click on the down arrow to paste. It also will give you a series of paste choices, and you just click the one that says 1, 2, 3, and also again it says values. It's exactly the same thing. When this pops open, just so you know, if you it still wants to copy and paste, so just hit the escape key on your keyboard to make that little dotted line stop moving. I sometimes call them the marching ants. And then so now we have our heading, and let's make our heading bold again and center our heading. And then see how this is getting chopped off, and that's kind of annoying. The cell data is still there. As you can see, it still says Eastern White Pine. It's just Eastern W is the only part that's showing. So you can move your mouse right between the E and the F and drag it over, or what you can do even faster is when you get your mouse in that perfect position where it becomes the double-headed arrow, just double click on it. And it will immediately size that column to the exact size of the longest piece, the longest bit of data, the longest cell. And now this is ready for our next activity. So stay tuned for that.